Are you ready to make the easiest applesauce ever that you'll always be craving? With just a few ingredients and steps, this will be your new favorite. Homemade applesauce is perfect to warm your day and adds such a comforting feeling to your home. It is healthy and delicious all at the same time for a perfect breakfast or snack. Our favorite apples for sweetness are Gala, Fuji, or Honeycrisp. Keep your remote handy so you can pause as we cook together. The kitchen tools you'll need are a cooking pot, a measuring cup and measuring spoons, and peeler and a knife with a cutting board. Let the adult use these utensils since they are sharp. A spoon to stir your mixture, a fork, potato masher or immersion blender, and spoons to enjoy. For this recipe, you will need 6 large apples. Our favorite are Gala. Half a cup water. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. A 1/4 cup sugar or maple syrup. This is optional or you can adjust to taste. We love maple syrup. A squeeze of lemon juice, also optional for a hint of tart flavor. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, also optional but adds nice flavor. Are you ready? Let's get started with the directions. Peel, core, and chop the 6 apples into small pieces. Add your prepared 6 apples to your pot. Add in half a cup of water. Add in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add in a 1/4 cup of sugar or maple syrup. Add in a squeeze of lemon. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give all of these ingredients a stir and put them on top of your stove. Ask an adult to put the pot on a high heat. Lower the heat to a simmer once it comes to a boil. Let it sit for about 25 minutes or until the apples are soft and tender. For a chunky applesauce, use a fork or potato masher to mash the apples. For a smooth texture, blend the mixture with an immersion blender. It is delicious warm right out of the pot, since we can't resist it. Or let it cool and serve chilled from the refrigerator. Enjoy! We hope you are having fun cooking with us on Jilly B's Corner. There are a few other variations that we enjoy as well. Add any of these ingredients to the pot as you cook. Appleberry sauce. Add 1 cup of fresh or frozen mixed berries. We like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Apple and pear sauce. Smooth and sweet with a hint of floral. A great topping for pancakes and waffles. Swap out 2 apples for 2 pears. Bartlett or Anjou pears work great for this recipe. Brown sugar and butter applesauce. This warm and cozy bowl of applesauce will leave you feeling so comforted. It has a rich, caramelized flavor, is like having a fresh slice of apple pie. Instead of granulated sugar, swap for a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Add in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 pinch of salt. Apple cinnamon oatmeal sauce. Adding in some oats makes the applesauce more filling for a quick, healthy breakfast or snack on the go. Add in half a cup of old-fashioned or quick oats to the mixture when cooking. And a pinch of nutmeg. This is optional for extra warmth. Cinnamon spice. Your home is sure to smell like fall with this variation. 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cloves. Apple ginger sauce. A small amount of freshly grated ginger will go a long way to pack a zesty kick to your applesauce. This is also a great dish to pair with pork chops or a roasted chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger to the original recipe. Pumpkin spice applesauce. Add half of a cup of pumpkin puree, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, half of a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, a pinch of ground ginger. This is optional. We can't wait to hear which recipe is your favorite. Remember, with a little imagination, you can create something amazing. Cooking lets you be a creator, just like an artist with a paintbrush. But your masterpiece is something you can taste and share with others. Subscribe to Jilly B's Corner so you do not miss our next cook-along recipe.